Hey guys, so I did start adding a couple things to my shrimp tank. I put a piece of dragon rock as well as a piece of spiderwood. I also added a couple plants in there, and today I'm going to add some cardinalis as well as some cardinal plants in here. This might get a little messy, so bear with me. So just want to show you a couple new things I got here. I got me a Flipper Pico. So this might be the smallest magnet out in the market right now. Let's open this up and then I'll show you what else I got. Dual side cleaner, scrubber pad, and scrubber blade. Simply flip the handle to use the opposite side. Replace blades. So this looks like it's a little algae scraper. I'm going to take this off. I don't think we're going to get any hard algae in this tank. It's not salt water, so we're not going to get anything like that. Felt side always usually goes on the outside. This is a little scary. It always scares me when I put magnets in a tank. But there we are. Let's clean this up. You always want to be careful with the gravel. You don't want to pick up any gravel because that could scratch your glass. So it's been about a week since we set this tank up. And I bought me our first live animals. So I also got a couple more plants. I got me 2 of the water lettuce. Very similar to frogbit. I also got me a little bit of duckweed as well. That's little plants that float on the top of the water. They're pretty cool. And then I got me a couple Neocaridina shrimp. I got me some red, blue, and I think some yellow. They had an interesting color to them. So let's see what everything looks like. I also got me 2 baby plecos. Now my buddy breeds these, and they're going to be able to live in this tank for about a year or 2, but eventually I am going to have to remove them. First things first, you got to float these bags in here. Now this is a very small tank, so we have to be careful. This bag I already floated earlier. So the first thing I'm going to do is put our plants in here. Let's see how it's going to work out with the flow in here. We'll see. I'm going to go dump some of this water out and put our shrimp in the tank. I'm going to float this bag in here for another minute while I go empty this water out now. Now we'll see how this duckweed and sea lettuce works out. We might have to remove some. We might have to maybe adjust the nozzle and see how the flow is going to make everything work out.